I think motivation's critical in learning the piano. And students who are highly motivated tend to practice more and be more successful. I have a bachelor's degree in piano performance, and I'm working towards a master's degree. I think the faculty here at BYU are awesome. They're top-notch. They really care about each of the students and want to help them. Well, the new music building is amazing. It's incredible. The piano lab just has great technology, and our new recital hall, the acoustics are world class. Okay, if I were on the Titanic sinking, the song that I would play would probably be the Liszt Sonata in B minor. So Piano Marvel has helped my teaching a lot because the students have something where they can learn from without me teaching them every little tiny thing. So we've been able to work more on like expression or the technique of things and less about, well, this is the note or this is how you count it. Those things are just taken care of, which is really nice. Individualized learning is so important because every person comes from such a different background. Piano Marvel is super helpful because it helps the student just exactly where they are. Some of them might be, more beginner and they're still learning the notes, whereas others might need maybe harder pieces, and Piano Marvel has a range of different pieces. There's something for everyone in there.